Hi guys, good day. This is Fe Soralta Sibugero of Malaybalay City Central School, Malaybalay City. Or just call me Fe Sensei. Today I'm going to discuss about adding or subtracting fractions. Are you ready guys? Hold on and watch for the PowerPoint presentation. Adding or subtracting fractions with like denominators. To add or subtract fractions with like denominators, add or subtract the numerators. Keep the denominators the same or just simply copy the common denominator. Simplify or reduce the fraction if possible. If you end up with an improper fraction, change it to a mixed number. For example, 1/5 plus 2/5 equals blank. Add the numerator, 1 plus 2 equals 3, and copy the common denominator, which is 5. So 1/5 plus 2/5 equals 3/5. This answer cannot be reduced any further because 3 and 5 are both prime numbers. So this is our final answer. Another example, 8/9 plus 3/9. So 8 plus 3 equals 11 and copy the common denominator, which is 9. So 8/9 plus 3/9 equals 11/9. And 11/9 is an improper fraction. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. So, we want to change it to a mixed number. To do this, divide the numerator by the denominator. So, 11 divided by 9 equals 1. 1 times 9 equals 9. 11 minus 9 equals 2. So our answer is 1, 2 over 9. This is the whole number 1, and the difference of 11 and 9 is 2. It becomes our numerator, and our denominator is the divisor. Therefore, 11/9 is equal to 1, 2 over 9, or 1 and 2 over 9. Another example, we're going to add mixed numbers with like denominators. To add mixed numbers with like denominators, number 1 is you're going to add the whole numbers. Then, add the fractions and simplify if possible. For example, 6 and 2/5 plus 10 and 1/5. So, add the whole numbers. 6 plus 10 equals 16. Then, add the numerators. 2 plus 1 equals 3, and copy the common denominator, which is 5. So, this is our answer. We cannot reduce 3 over 5 because 3 and 5 are both prime numbers. Example number 2. 2 and 4/9 plus 3 and 2/9. Again, add the whole numbers. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Then add the numerators. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Copy the common denominator, which is 9. But 6 and 9 can be reduced into its lowest term. The GCF of 6 and 9 is 3. Therefore, we're going to divide 6 and 9 by 3. So, copy the whole number 5. Then, 6 divided by 3 equals 2. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. So, 5 and 6 over 9 is equal to 5 and 2/3. So, this is our final answer. Another example. 4 and 5 over 7 plus 11 and 4 over 7. So, 11 plus 4 is 15. And the numerator 5 plus 4 is 9. And copy the common denominator 7. 9 over 7 is an improper fraction. 9 divided by 7 is 1. So, 1 will be added to 15, and 15 plus 1 equals 16. Then, 9 minus 7 is 2. And copy the denominator 7. So, our final answer is 16 and 2 over 7. Got it? Now, subtraction. Subtract 9 over 14 minus 5 over 14. Again, subtract the numerators. 9 minus 4 equals 9 minus 5, equals 4. And copy the common denominator, which is 14. 4 over 14 is not, 4 and 14 are not prime numbers. Therefore, we can reduce. So, the GCF of 4 and 14 is 2. So, we divide 4 over 14 by 2 in order to reduce the fraction. So, 4 over 14 divided by 2 over 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. So, 4 over 14 is equal to 2 over 7. And 2 over 7 is our final answer. Now, we're going to study on how to change mixed number to an improper fraction. How to change a mixed number to an improper fraction? Multiply the whole number times the denominator, then add your answer to the numerator. Oh my God! Let's go back. So, multiply the whole number times the denominator. So that is, the whole number is 4 times 2 equals 8. Then add your answer to the numerator. So, plus 1. And that is our new numerator. So, 9. Again, 4 times 2 or 2 times 4 equals 8 plus 1 equals 9 over the denominator 2. So, this is our mixed number and this one is our improper fraction. Got it? Again, to change a mixed number to an improper fraction, you're going to multiply 2 and 4. So 2 times 4 equals 8, plus 1 equals 9, and copy the denominator. Okay, so add mixed numbers. 9 and 1/2 plus 5 and 3/4. 2 times 9 equals 18 plus 1 equals 19 over 2 plus 4 times 5 equals 20 plus 3 equals 23 and the denominator is 4. Since these fractions are dissimilar. Why dissimilar? Because the denominators are not the same. So we're going to change it to similar fractions before we can add. So we're going to look for a number that the denominator of the first fraction will be equal to 4. So we're going to multiply the denominator 2 by 2 to get 4. And if we're going to multiply the denominator by 2, we're also multiply the numerator by 2. So 19 times 2 equals 38 and 2 times 2 equals 4. So they are now similar fractions. So 38 plus 23 equals 61. And copy the common denominator 4. So 61 over 4. And 61 over 4 is an improper fraction. To reduce improper fraction, we're going to change this improper fraction into a mixed number. So, again, to change it to a mixed number, we're going to divide the numerator by its denominator. So, 61 divided by 4 is equal to 15. And 15 times 4 is 60. So 61 minus 60 equals 1. So we have here 1. Then copy the common denominator, which is 4. So our final answer is 15 and 1 over 4. Got it? Another way of answering this one. 9 and 1/2 plus 5 and 3/4. So 9 plus 5. So add whole numbers and fractions separately. So 9 plus 5. Then 1/2 plus 3/4. So 9 plus 5 equals 14. And 1/2 plus 3/4. Again, make the denominator 2 equal to 4 so that there will be similar fractions. So to get it, we're going to multiply 2 by 2. So 1 times 2 equals 2 and 2 times 2 equals 4. So they are now similar fractions. Copy the whole number 14 plus 2 plus 3 equals 5 and copy the denominator 4. But 5 over 4 is just the same with 1 and 1 over 4. So 14 plus 1 equals 15 and copy the fraction 1/4 or 1 over 4. So this is our final answer. So subtract mixed numbers. To subtract mixed numbers, we can have it this way. 2 times 9 equals 18 plus 1 equals 19 and copy the denominator 2. Minus 4 times 5 equals 20 plus 1 equals 21 and copy the denominator 4. Since they are dissimilar fractions, we're going to change it to similar one before we can add the fractions. So, our least common denominator, or the number we're going to multiply to make it 4, is 2. So multiply 2 by 2 equals 4, and the numerator 19 times 2 equals 38. So 38 over 4 minus 21 over 4 are similar fractions. So we can easily subtract. 38 minus 21 equals 17. And copy the common denominator, which is 4. So our answer is 17 over 4. But 17 over 4 is an improper fraction. So we're going to change it to mixed number. 17 divided by 4 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 17 minus 16 is 1, and copy the denominator 4. So our final answer is 4 and 1/4. Now, another, subtracting mixed numbers from whole numbers. First, we're going to convert whole number into a mixed number. How? We're going to subtract, or we're going to borrow 1 from the whole number 13 and make it as a fraction equal to 1. So 13 minus 13 minus 1 equals 12. And the one we borrowed becomes a fraction equal to 1, which is 3 over 3. Why 3 over 3? Because in our subtrahend, our denominator is 3. So you're going to make a fraction equal to 1, which is 3 over 3, because the denominator of our subtrahend is 3. So it becomes 12 and 3 over 3 minus 1 and 1/3. So we're going to group whole part and fractional part. So 12 minus 1 equals 11. And again, subtract the numerator. 3 minus 1 is 2, and copy the denominator 3. So our final answer is 11 and 2/3. Did you get it? I hope so. If not, then just review it so that you can understand. Thank you. So how did you find our lesson for today? You can review it for you to understand well our topic. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Sensei, and watch my previous and incoming videos. Bye-bye!